The reason is because give it 10 or 20 years when it actually becomes capable, the AI won't be as fallible as therapists are. Therapy, in my opinion, is we know that it works from the research, and we increasingly see that it works. We see the changes that it makes in the brain, but it's also extremely hit and miss. Any therapist who tells you that they've cracked it, that they've got the method, the memory reconsolidation people are good at doing this. They just haven't. No one knows exactly how therapy works. There are, I think, over 700 modalities of therapy, and everyone thinks that is convinced that they understand how it works, but just nobody really does. We just know that it works, and each therapist, I think, probably has their own little modality world going on. When we understand how therapy works, and when we can get a computer to do it, the precision is going to be so much greater, in my opinion. The computer's not going to be biased. It's going to be all about the client. So yeah, I think if it could be made to work, it'll work better than we can.